Hey guys, we're back. This might be common on a lot of cars, so I'm gonna show you guys how to at least make it look better. It won't be 100%, but this bumper, it's plastic, got a crease. It could be a Honda, Toyota, it could be anything. I'm gonna pop it out and make it look decent. So I'm gonna warm up the bumper with the blow dryer. If you get it too hot, you'll melt the paint, but if you get it just right, we can push it back out. So yeah, I can get this in here, no problem. Hot, not hot enough. There you go. There it is.
Can you run that thing down it like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna run it back and forth like this a couple times, but
slide it down there. Yeah, there you go.
I mean, I'd be happy with that.
Got a little spot right there. I don't know whether it's gonna get
This is normal right here.
Yeah.
I think it's good. That's really all you gotta do. It's good if we do two people. One can heat it, one can massage it from the back. It's not 100%, but I mean, it's for what it was. It's damn good. And if you had some scuff marks like this on the outside, you can take some rubbing compound, polish it, and that's pretty much it. Not much more to it. Just get a blow dryer, borrow your girlfriend's or wife's blow dryer, just don't let her know you took it. Yeah, that's all I got for today on this video.